Nah talk, nah talk. We no go round for nobody bagel and talking, Zane.
All action, nigga, I'm back rapping. Bars with some layers, I'm spitting like fall fashion. I leave punches, I only go where the cash is. A slave to the game, but I control all the masses, bitch. I'm yet to sell it, the story don't get embellished. I keep it $1.50, it cuts deep when I tell it. Bars go over heads, but fuck it, I carry on. And let them rap genius the lyrics from every song. As long as they can feel the pain of what I perform. I'm the modern day Marvin, tell them what's going on in this world where we living. Cops still killing, niggas by the dozens, bunch of innocent civilians. I came up with nothing, but I'm having dreams of millions. Funny, nobody could touch them, but they guarantee to feel them. This is from the hard flows, watching Narcos, thinking how to greed kill my nigga Pablo. Nothing guaranteed, but I want what I'm owed. I put years in this shit, time to reap what I sow. Nigga, give me every single penny. Learn the harder way that nobody really with me. Niggas switch up on you for some Benjis in the bank, but